Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this cool cut effect you see in the thumbnail. So let's get right into it. Press T on your keyboard or grab your type tool from over here. Click and write your text. I'm gonna press Command T to transform. I'm gonna resize it and make it pretty big. I'll make it white. Then grab any selection tool you want. You can get your pen tool, you can get the lasso tool. I'm gonna get the rectangular marquee tool just because I need a straight line and that's it. So this is gonna do the job properly. So I'll make a selection of this bottom part of my text. And then I'm gonna click here to add a layer mask to it. And as you can see, the part that wasn't selected is gone. Now what you want to do is press Command J to duplicate your layer and then Command I to invert your layer mask. This means that basically for the top layer it cut out the bottom part. So as you can see, we can move it around. Anyways, the effect is basically done already. Press G on your keyboard or grab the gradient tool from right over here. Make sure it's a black to white gradient. To edit it, if it's not like that, you can click here and then edit the colors. Anyways, just click and drag and it'll give you this sort of like shadow effect. And that's basically it. You can select both, Command T to transform. You can rotate them a little bit, or you can rotate the top part a little bit. And that's it. It's pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.